So here's the robot, moves forward and backwards. You turn it around, 360s. The eyes don't seem to animate or do anything. You can push this button here with Christmas music. And then this button just does random movements, looks like. You turn it off, and then this button does, let's see. So this button does different light modes, flashing, off, or solid on. This button should do music, but it's not. So I guess I realized if you push this button to, wait, turn on the music, and then you push, there we go. And then you push this, it changes the song. And I guess off again. Yeah. So there you turn off on, it's got USB-C battery. This is 2 AA's. Yeah, so far my son really likes to play with it. And the tracks itself don't move. There's just wheels underneath here. So I was hoping the eyes would move and the arms would move and the head would move. I mean, you can manually move the head, but it doesn't do much. But yeah, pretty much it.